Okay everyone, and today video I'm going to unboxing, install and set up the EZVIZ wireless security camera. Okay, as you can see on the table now, this is the model H6c Pro with 1080p camera. Okay, so now we going to take everything out from the box. After that we gonna connect it with the smartphone's app. Okay, now let's begin. Okay, take a look around on the box and now take it out. Quick start menu. There is the one box, and then you can see the camera is down here. And there is just the bottom plastic. Inside this box, charger adapter, ceiling mount tab, information paper, the wall mount connector, some screw, power cable. So let's check out. And the length of the power cable is about 2 meters. Okay. It uses the Type-C power supply, and here we got the LAN cable connection. On here we got the SD card slot and the reset button. Okay, the installation, if you want to put the connector with the wall mount, just input here to that direction and then rotate it. When it locks, you can hang the camera to the wall with the 3 screw connector here. Okay, now we gonna input the power supply to it, and then let's connect it with the smartphone. Okay, before you connect the camera to the power supply, now just install the EZVIZ on your smartphone first. Here is the EZVIZ. After download from the App Store, and now we just open it at the first time. After that, select your country, region. You have 3 options to choose: sign in with your email, sign in with your Facebook account, and sign in with your Google account. Okay, now select one of your options, and then we going on together. Okay, after that you need to select your country, region once more time, and after that press continue. And now the set up the EZVIZ app to your smartphone is done. Okay, now let's input the power supply to the camera. Okay, and it rotates down, circle.
Please use EZVIZ app for device Wi-Fi configuration.
Okay, and now we gonna press add device. And now select camera and then press OK. Okay, allow while using the app. And now scan the QR on the bottom of your camera. Okay, and now it's found, and we tick device is power on and then press next. Start to configuration. Indicate flash blue, so you can check on your camera is now flashing blue light. Press next. Open location permission while using the app only. And now you need to select the network that you connect to the camera. And now input the password and press next, and we will meet again. Okay, now it's connect to device, and the EZVIZ app want to use a temporary Wi-Fi network to connect your device. Okay, so that means the camera create its own Wi-Fi network and connect to your smartphone first. All you need to do is just press connect. Connect successfully.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait. Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, now you can use the device name.
Passport registration successful.
Okay, now you can set up the device name or use the name that recommend. Okay, and okay, now I just use the basic name of the camera and just add once more to living room. And then press tick. You can choose by your own name and then press next.
Configuration complete. Welcome to EZVIZ.
Okay, now it's complete, and you can see the live camera on the, I want it to see the background. Okay, and we save the QR code, and then that format. Okay, you can set up years, month, day, and month, day, year. Okay, I want to use days, month, and year. Okay, so I choose the day, month, and year, and after that you can now just select next. Okay, now let's input your password, and now the new password and re-enter the password, so it's created by your own. And let's see after we import it, and we will meet again. Okay, after you can see the green. Okay, so after it got 2 tick on here, and now you can press help modify. Okay, keep the new password safe. The password cannot recovery. Once you forgotten, you cannot view encrypted picture and video. Continue. Okay. Okay, let's check out some information. Deny. It will cost the battery. Okay, edit device. So this is the layout style. You can press the contents, and then you will see the device become small, and press the list, so it will not show the picture, just only the camera and the name of the camera. So I select expand and sort. I want it to sort by device type, and then press back. Okay, and now we just select to the camera, and now you can see my picture, and we now recording. Take it to another way. Okay, and try to rotate it. Okay, so I try to rotate the camera. You can see the camera rotation, and then we go into the ground. Okay, now that's it. That is all for today's video of the first time unboxing EZVIZ wireless home security camera model H6c Pro 1080p. And to play back the camera and anything, you need to input the SD card to the camera, and we will talk about it in the next video. And now, thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. Now, bye bye and have a nice day.